Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making a full backup and confirming an admin account because uninstalling music modifies protected files. Once done, restart into recovery, hold Command+R so you can disable system integrity protection. This step is required because Mac OS treats music as a system app. Make sure to note why. SIP prevents accidental system damage, so disabling it temporarily grants the permissions you'll need. Now reboot back to the normal system after SIP is off, and open Finder to locate /applications. Once you've disabled SIP in recovery, boot normally and open Terminal. This is where you execute the deletion. You'll run sudo rm rf /applications/music. App, type your admin password when prompted and understand why. rm removes the app bundle and ref forces recursive removal. Be careful, this command deletes files permanently, so confirm the path before pressing enter. After terminal reports completion, check /applications to confirm music. App is gone, and make sure you did not remove other files by mistake. To finish safely, reboot into recovery again and run csrootle enable to restore system integrity protection. This protects your Mac going forward. Once SIP is back, empty the trash, restart, and verify the music app is gone and no essential files were removed from /music. If something goes wrong, like missing system behavior, restore your backup or reinstall Mac OS to recover the app. Quick troubleshooting tip. If the app or services break, use Time Machine to restore music app rather than running further destructive commands.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.